Do you know why the mango is called the king of fruits? It's not just about the taste. Hidden inside are 5 magical powers that can transform your body from within. Digestion. The amylase enzyme in mangoes helps break down complex carbohydrates, while high fiber content relieves constipation and keeps the stomach clean. Immunity. Mango is an excellent source of vitamin C, which increases white blood cell production to protect the body from infections. Eye health. The beta-carotene and vitamin A in mangoes prevent night blindness and reduce age-related eye problems. Skin and hair care. Vitamin C helps produce collagen to keep skin firm, while vitamin A strengthens hair roots. Heart protection. Potassium and magnesium in mangoes help control blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. 2. Strawberry. Hook. This small red fruit is as beautiful to look at as it is powerful for your body. You will be amazed to know how effective it is in helping you retain your youth. Heart protection. The anthocyanins it contains improve blood vessel function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control. Its low glycemic index helps regulate blood glucose levels. Cancer prevention. High antioxidant content inhibits the formation of harmful cells in the body. Brain function. It enhances communication between brain cells to help maintain memory. Weight control. The fiber it contains boosts metabolism and helps in burning fat. 3. Apple. Hook. Does eating an apple a day really keep the doctor away? In today's video, I will reveal 5 secrets about apples that will keep your body healthy every day. Heart protection. Apple's pectin fiber prevents cholesterol buildup, reducing the risk of heart attacks. Diabetes control. Its antioxidants keep the pancreas functioning properly, reducing the risk of diabetes. Memory boost. Apple extracts prevent the decay of brain nerves, keeping memory sharp. Dental health. Chewing an apple helps remove oral bacteria and reduce.
Dental health. Chewing an apple helps remove oral bacteria and reduces tooth decay. Lung strength. Quercetin in apples protects the lungs from infections. 4. Banana. Hook. Do you feel tired all the time? Then adding a banana to your diet from today is a must. Why? Let's find out 5 amazing benefits of bananas. Instant energy. The natural sugars in bananas quickly recharge the body and improve performance. Blood pressure control. High potassium and low sodium levels help maintain normal blood pressure. Mental peace. It contains tryptophan, which improves mood and calms the mind by relieving fatigue. Kidney protection. Bananas improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Prevents anemia. The iron in bananas aids in